G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing the rad support on my wife's VE Commodore. A couple of years ago she accidentally drove into the back of someone parked at the front of the school and just put their tow bar straight through the bumper. I put a bumper on it just for the time being, but it actually pushed in part of the rad support and the radiator itself's not sitting right, so I think it's finally time to get around to fixing it up properly. I've actually purchased radiator support here from the wreckers. It's got everything on it, which makes the job nice and easy and handy. So let's rip the bar off and get into it. For some reason I wasn't recording, but I was struggling to get this out, and it was this nut right there. So I've disconnected the battery, undid that, and then this has popped straight out from underneath the fuse box there. And now I just got to release the clip. Bing. As you can see, probably not from that angle, but these mounts here are slightly turned in a little bit, so I might get the bar, the reinforcement bar off the old one so I can put the bolt back on and just tweak it over. It's not bad at all, but it has just pulled them in a little bit, so they should just pop straight back again, so I can fit the new one nice and flat. and we'll be back in business. Alright, so I've got the old bar reinforcement here that is clearly bent and cracked. These are just sitting in a little bit, so I'm just going to bolt these back up, just pry it back out and make them sit nice and flat again, and then we'll try to fit it. Hey buddy.
Hi. I'm gonna get a new one of those.
Yes, we've got a new one over there. See?
Mm.
But this one here, these pieces here are bent. So I'm going to use this just to bolt up to one side here, and then we'll pull on this and try and straighten this piece out, which is what we're going to do right now. Let's see if it works. Good, as you can see, that end now is sitting miles away from there, so I'll unbolt it here and do the same to that side. I'm going to just put up the new rad support now and just see how well it'll line up. We might need to tweak these mounts, so I'll just do that now. So that's a wrap for that one. As you can see at the start, you didn't get to actually see the bar coming off. Something went wrong when I downloaded the files to the computer. It just didn't work. And then also towards the end, you didn't get the full finish of me fitting the bar and everything, as the memory card was full on the camera. So I've since fixed that and deleted everything off the memory card. One of the issues that I did have was the passenger side headlight had a cracked mount on it. So I've ordered new headlights, I'll fit them up and the job should be nice and perfect once that's done. Just like to say thank you for watching. Please hit like, subscribe. There's plenty more videos to come. Just purchased another vehicle, which you'll be seeing in an upcoming video from the auctions. It's quite exciting, and I look forward to showing you that one soon. All right, see you later.